Good morning, everyone. Today we will discuss about the light. New chapter, that is the 12th chapter, light. Imagine yourself in the dark room. Would be able to see the things around you? What happens if somebody switch on a bulb in that room? Switching on the bulb will allow you to see the things around you which you could not see in the dark. Can you guess what enables you see things when a bulb is switched on? The answer is light. So there are the two things are needed for watching the things, that is the eye and second is the light. Without eye you can't see the things, or without light you can't see the things. So what is the light? Light is something that enables us to see things around us. So this is the definition of light. Light is something. So today we will discuss about the light. Light is chapter. This is chapter number 12. Light is something that enables us to see, enable us to see things around us. It is clear. Light is something that enables us to see things around us. You can say light, with the help of the light we can see the things around us. Objects that give out light of their own are called the luminous object, and the objects which do not emit light on their own are known as the non-luminous object. So object, can you tell some example of the object that emit light on their own? For example, sun. Sun emit lights on their own. That's why it is the luminous object. And we can candle also emitting light, and this marker, it does not emit its own light, that is the non-luminous. Can you tell me sun is the luminous source of the light because it gives light on their own. Can you tell moon is the luminous or non-luminous? Moon is non-luminous because it shines by the reflection of the sunlight. Okay, so there are the two sources of the light. One is the there are the two types of sources of light. One is the natural source of light and second is the artificial source of light. Natural source of light, so there are the two types of the sources. One is the natural sources of light, natural source of light, natural. Second is artificial. So there are the two types of the light. One is the natural sources of light and second is the artificial sources of light. Can you tell some example of the natural sources of the light? For example, sun, star, firefly, etc. These are the natural source of light, and artificial source of light, candle, bulb, tube light. These are the artificial sources of light. It is made up of made by the man, or it is made by the nature. Clear it? There are the two sources of light. One is the natural source of light and second is the artificial source of light. Natural source of light, that is made by the nature, for example sun, stars, firefly. And artificial, it means man-made things. They are known as the artificial source of light, candle, bulb, tube light. And now we are talking about the luminous or non-luminous. Luminous object that gives out light of their own, यानी अपने आप जो लाइट देते हैं, they are known as the luminous object. And for example sun, star, firefly, they are the source of the luminous object. Second is object that do not give out light of their own are called the non-luminous object. For example pencil, pen, book, they are known as the non-luminous object.